Hi guys, it's Sweet1967. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today we're looking at two products. Firstly, it's Quality Foods salted caramel profiteroles, and then we've got Morrison's extra thick double cream, made in Britain. Alright, so any of you chocoholics out there, this is one of those makes that you see in Heron or freezer shops. It's actually probably ex-Iceland or something like that. So firstly we're going to do an unboxing, get that out of there. Alright, so does that look good? Now ordinarily what we do is pop that on a normal tray, but I'm just going to take that off, have a quick look around. So we're going to take a chunk out of there, see what it's all about. Now I've defrosted this. It can be refrozen, so alright, looks kind of nice. Alright, I'm going to come back because I always forget something. I'll leave you admire that. I was going to pause it, but I thought no. Now, the piece de la resistance, Morrison's cream. Now, I think this is slightly thicker than the Tesco one that I've looked at. Again, you can just upside down. It's so thick. So we're going to put this up on there like that. It's so thick I can't even get it out. So I'll push this out of the way. Oh man. So you can see that looks pretty good, nice and tasty. Oh man. Firstly, I'll say you can taste the caramel and you can taste the salted caramel particularly, and that cream really goes down well with that. I think this would really look good on any table with guests. Well, why not for yourself? Hey, you deserve it, guys, girls. Work hard enough. And even if you don't, it doesn't matter, there's always time for cake and pudding. So yeah, definitely I'd recommend that 100%. I'm addicted to that cream and that's gorgeous. So thanks for coming along. As always, why not subscribe? And I shall see you in the next one. And I'm going to get on with polishing that off. Thanks very much. See you later.